Hello, good morning, children. This is Maheshwar Rao from DH Studies. Today, we will discuss exercise 2.1, 9th class mathematics. Exercise 2.1, we will discuss. Okay. Now, say which of the following expressions are polynomial in one variable, and which are not state reason for your answer. So here given polynomial, which is polynomial, which is not polynomial, which is polynomial, which is not polynomial. Simple thing. Polynomial is already we discussed. Polynomial means an expression containing one or more terms and the exponent of the variable is non-negative integer, that is called a polynomial. Here see, power of the variable power should be whole number. If the variable power is not a whole number, that is not a polynomial. Simple. Observe the variable. Here see, x power, and also one more thing, variable power must be whole number, then only it is polynomial. Suppose variable power is not a whole number, that is not a polynomial. Which are not polynomial, simple see, root of any variable is not polynomial. Variable is in denominator, not polynomial. Variable power is a fraction, not polynomial. Variable power negative, not polynomial. You remember these points. First one say 4x square minus 3x plus 7. Is it polynomial or not? Yes, it is a polynomial. First one, it is a polynomial. Why? Because power of the variable is, here see, what is the x power? 2. 2 is a whole number. Here x power nothing is there means 1. That is also whole number. Constant degree, already told that is the, what is the degree of a constant? 0. Yes, therefore it is a polynomial. First one. Which first one is a polynomial. What about the second one? Y square plus root 2. Is it polynomial or not? See, this is also polynomial. Yes, why? Here what is the variable power? 2. That's why it is a polynomial. You see up there here number is there means under the root to any number constant means no problem. That is you don't think about numbers, just variable observe. What about the third question? 3 root 2, 3 root t plus 3 root t. Here see, here root t is under root. That's why it is not polynomial. Any polynomial is in the under root, that is not polynomial. So that's why it is not polynomial. What about fourth one? Fourth one also not polynomial. Why? Because variable here under root, variable is the denominator. That's why it is not polynomial. What about the fifth question? X power 10 plus y cube plus t power 15. It is a, here question see, which of the following expressions are polynomial in one variable and which are not. This is a polynomial, but it is not a polynomial in one variable. It is not polynomial in one. It is a polynomial, but it is not a polynomial in one variable. Understand? Here one variable asked. That's why this is also, it is not a polynomial in one variable. Sir, what are the first question? Yes, first question and second question are yes. First and second are yes. Remaining questions are not a, it is not a polynomials. Why? Because that is the root of the variables are in under root one question and variable is in the denominator. That's why the two are not polynomials. This is a polynomial, but polynomial in different variables. Here question is polynomial one variable asked. That's why this is also not a polynomial. You're right. Next, second question. See, write the coefficient of x square in each of the following. Coefficient asked. X square coefficient of the asked. X square. Every term here 2 plus x square plus x. Here x square. What is the coefficient of x square here? x square coefficient nothing is there means one answer. That is the coefficient, one answer. Here, what is that? What is the coefficient of minus x square? X square coefficient here also nothing is there means minus 1. That's all. Here, what is the coefficient of pi by 2 x square? Here, what is that? X square. That means you remove x square. Remaining everything you write. Here, pi by 2. What is that? Pi by 2. Here, what is the coefficient of root 2x? Here, x square term nothing is there. So, coefficient here x square term not there means that is the 0 answer. 0 x square we can write that is the 0. Next, give one example of each of a binomial degree 35 and of a monomial of degree 100. Here question say, you give one example. That is the degree how much here? Degree 35. That must be binomial. Degree is 35. Degree is 35. What is you can tell any binomial? Binomial. What is the meaning of a binomial? An expression containing two terms is called a binomial. You can write any two terms x plus y. This is a binomial. But what asked here? Degree 35. Here what is the degree here? Here x power 1, it is degree 1. Here y power 1. Degree is 1. But 35 asked means any one term you can keep 35 enough degree. Either x power or y power, anything you can keep. What is the degree of this polynomial? 35. That's it. Next, another example. And of a monomial of degree 100. Now, degree, here monomial asked. Monomial degree. Monomial. What is that monomial? You can write any monomial. Monomial means how many terms? One term. Monomial means how many terms? One term. One term means you can write any one term. X is one term. Power how much asked? Degree 100. So x power 100. That's it. That's all. Next, write the degree of each of the following polynomial. In this term, degree of each of the following polynomial. Degree asked. What is the meaning of degree of a polynomial? Highest power of the variable in a polynomial is called a degree of the polynomial. Highest power. Here observe here. What is the degree? Here power is 3. Variable power. Only observe always variable power. Here variable power how much? 3. Here variable power how much? Here power is 3. Here variable power 2. Here variable power nothing is there means 1. In these three terms, what is the highest number? 3, 2, 1. Which is the bigger number? 3. What is the degree? 3 answer. That's all. Degree is 3. Here see. Here what is the degree of constant? Degree nothing is there. This is the x power 0 we can write. So degree is constant. This one now 0. What about here? Y power how much here? 2. What is the degree? Degree is 2. 5t minus root 7. Here what is the variable here? T is the variable. Variable power how much is there? 1. What is the degree? 1. Here constant. Constant degree always 0. Here what is that? 3. 3 is what is that? 3 is the constant number. What is the degree of 3? What is the degree of 3? How much? 0. That's all. Next question. See. Next, fifth question. See here. Classify the following as a linear and quadratic cubic polynomial. So here see. What about first one? Fifth question. First one. Classify here. X square plus x. X square plus x. X square plus x is which polynomial? That is what is which polynomial? Here what is the degree is 2. So that is called quadratic polynomial. Which polynomial? Quadratic polynomial. quadratic polynomial. Here we classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic. Which is the quadratic polynomial, which is a linear polynomial, which is a cubic polynomial asked. Here degree is 2, that's it is a quadratic polynomial. Second one, here see x minus x cube. This is which polynomial? What is the degree here? 3. 3 means what? Third degree polynomial is called what? Cubic. Cubic polynomial. What is that? That's all. Third one. See, y plus y power 4 plus 4. This is which polynomial? Fourth degree polynomial. This is the, here see, y plus here y square. Here y plus y square plus 4. That is called which polynomial? This is also second degree. So this is the cubic quadratic polynomial. This is the quadratic polynomial. Next, fourth one. 1 plus x. 1 plus x. This is which polynomial? Here what is the degree? This is which polynomial? First degree polynomial. Here degree is 1. First degree polynomial is called linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. Next, fifth question. 3t. 3t is what is the degree of this is what is the degree of 3t? T power nothing is, that means 1. 1 means that is linear polynomial. Same linear first degree polynomial. So it is also linear polynomial. Sixth one. R square. What is the degree of R square? What is the degree of R square? Your degree is 2. That's why which is that? Which is which polynomial? Quadratic polynomial. That's all. Next see. 7x cube. 7x cube is which polynomial? 7x cube. What is the degree of 7x cube? This is degree is 3. Therefore, it is a cubic polynomial. This is the answer. Okay. Okay, children. Thank you. And also, everybody listen, my dear children. All of you, please subscribe our channel and inform to all your friends. Daily we will continue like this. Already introduction part of the previous already two classes completed. Introduction part 1 polynomial 1, part 2 polynomial 2. Introduction part is given. That 2 classes also listen. Introduction part, if you listen carefully, it is if you understand that concept, then the all problems are very very easy. First you watch that 2 videos, then after this one listen. Okay, please inform to your friends and neighbors or anyone. Please inform and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.
If you like this video, please like it, share it. If you have any doubt, please comment it in the comment box. But don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.